Historically, in India's Kundali, Rahu Kal starts when oil prices go higher. And every time oil prices have gone higher, there has been knockdown impact on GDP. Crude prices have shot through the roof in last 1 month, and that's witnessed even in LNG. We are one of the most vulnerable economy because of higher import of energy and lower production of energy. About 1/3 of our gas supply is disrupted. Focus has been fertilizer plants, focus has been cooking gas, and the sufferer has been industrial sector. Government under PM scheme delivered many cooking gas connection to the rural economy. Ujjwala scheme removed burning of wood, coal, and consequent smoke from the rural households and gave them clean option of gas-based cooking. Unfortunately, that has increased our consumption as well as import needs. For us, bigger challenge remains AI. About 4 crore Indians directly or indirectly work in BPO, KPO, GCC and IT exports. $350 billion worth of revenue is generated by them in foreign currency. That revenue helps us import oil and other items. Any slowdown in IT related jobs will have material impact on India growth story.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.